Hello guys. I'm back with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get an official artist channel on YouTube through CD Baby. Before we get started, note, CD Baby artists must have at least 3 active releases. These can be albums and/or singles, distributed to YouTube Music. Let's get started. Simply log in or create an account with CD Baby. Release 3 singles or albums. Once your music is available on YouTube Music, go back to your CD Baby dashboard and select Claim Official YouTube Channel. Select an artist profile. Click Get Access or Refresh Access. You will then be sent to YouTube to log into your YouTube account. After successfully logging in, you will receive an acknowledgement email confirming your request was received. Once your official artist channel is approved, you will gain access to exclusive YouTube features, including a verified music note next to your channel name, direct access to artist tools and YouTube Studio. Guys, that's it for today. And thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more videos.